Hi everyone, welcome to Firestone Chemistry. Today we are going to see MCQs on physical chemistry. Shivaji University BSc 3 Physical Chemistry. Multiple choice questions. MCQs semester 5. First question is, according to Dalton's law of partial pressures, the total pressure of the solution is nothing but sum of the dash dash pressure of the components. First partial, second is vapor, third is the total, and fourth is the none of these, and the answer is partial pressure. According to Dalton's law of partial pressure, the total pressure of the solution is nothing but sum of the partial pressure of the components. Next question is, according to dash dash, the partial vapor pressure of volatile component A of a solution is given by Pa is equal to Pa0 plus multiplied Xa. So the answers are, first is the Dalton's law, second is Raoult's law, third is the Avogadro's law, and fourth is the all of this. And the answer is second, Raoult's law. Answer is the Raoult's law, because according to Raoult's law, Pa is equal to P0A multiplied by Xa, that is mole fraction. So next question. Question number 3. If P represents the atmospheric pressure, then condition for boiling the mixture of two liquid components A and B is, and the answers are P is equal to Pa plus Pb. Second is the P is equal to Pa minus Pb. Third is the P is equal to Pa into Pb, and fourth is the none of these. And the answer is pressure P is equal to Pa plus Pb. Next question is, question number 4. The two solutions of different compositions coexisting with one another are called as dash dash solution. And the answers are, first is the conjugate, second is true, third is miscible, and fourth one is all of these. And the answer is conjugate solution. If two solutions of different composition coexisting with one another are called as conjugate solution. Next question. The solution in which does not obey Raoult's law at all concentrations and temperature is called dash dash solution. And the answers are, first is the real, second is the non-ideal, third is the both A and B, and fourth one is none of these. And the answer is answer number 3, that is both A and B. So the solution which does not obey Raoult's law at all concentration and temperature is called real solution or non-ideal solution. So next question is question number 6. The liquid mixtures which boil at constant temperature and distill over completely without change of composition are called, First is constant boiling, second is azeotropic, third one is both A and B, and fourth one is none of these. And the correct answer is answer number 3, that is both A and B. So the liquid mixture which boil at constant temperature and distill over completely without change of composition are called constant boiling mixtures and azeotropic mixtures. Next question is, in case of immiscible liquid, the weights of liquid in the distillate will be in the ratio of their vapor pressures, and first is atomic weights, second is molecular weights, third is both A and B, and fourth one is none of these. And the answer is molecular weight. So in case of immiscible liquid, the weights of liquid in the distillate will be in the ratio of their vapor pressures and molecular weights. Next question is, photochemical reactions are the reactions which are induced by the action of dash dash on the system. And the options are, first is the light, second is heat, third is the electricity, and fourth is the none of this. And the correct answer is light. So photochemical reactions are the reactions in which light is important. So in photochemical reactions are the reactions which are induced by the action of light on the system. Next is the question number 9. Solutions which obey the Raoult's law at all concentration and temperature are called. First is the real solution, second is the binary solution, third is the ideal solution, and fourth is the none of these. And the correct answer is ideal solution. So ideal solutions are those solutions which obey Raoult's law at all concentration and temperature. So next question is, in the formation of an ideal solution, dash dash is evolved or absorbed. First is heat, second is light, third is no heat, fourth one is none of these, and the answer is in the formation of ideal solution, no heat is evolved or absorbed. So answer is no heat. Question number 11. The distillation carried out in a current of steam is known as, first is fractional, second is flame, third one is steam, and fourth one is none of these. And the answer is third one, that is steam. So distillation carried out in current of steam is known as steam distillation. Next question. The real solutions of type third shows large dash dash deviation from Raoult's law. First one is the positive, second one negative, third one is both A and B, and fourth one is none of this. And the correct answer is negative deviation. So the real solutions of type third shows large negative deviations from Raoult's law. So next question is question number 30. The temperature at which two liquids which are partially miscible become completely miscible in all proportions is known as dash dash temperature. So the answer is, first is the consolidate, second is boiling, third one critical, fourth one none of these. And the correct answer is first one, that is consolidate temperature. So this is the temperature at which two liquids are completely miscible, which are partially miscible become completely miscible. So this temperature is known as consolidate temperature. Next question is question number 40, that is triethylamine water system has dash dash CST. So first one is high, second one is higher, third one is maximum, and fourth one is lower. So the correct answer is lower CST. So triethylamine water system has lower CST. So next question is question number 15. Optical density D is given by dash dash. First one is the epsilon Cx, second one is IT upon I0, third one is both A and B, and fourth one is none of these, and the correct answer is first one, that is epsilon Cx. So optical density D is given by D is equal to epsilon Cx. So next question is the vapor always contain relatively dash dash proportion of the more volatile components than does the liquid phase. So first is the less, second is the equal, third one is the slight, and fourth one is more. So the correct answer is that is more. So the vapor always contains relatively more proportion of more volatile component than does the liquid phase. So next question is question number 17. Real solution of type second show large dash dash deviations from Raoult's law. First is the negative, second one is the positive, third one is the both A and B, and fourth one is the none of these, and correct answer is second one, that is positive. So real solution of type second show large positive deviations from the Raoult's law. Next one is the question number 18, that is the temperature at which the total vapor pressure of solution becomes equals to the atmospheric pressure is known as, first one is the freezing point, second one is the eutectic point, third one is the turning point, and fourth one is the boiling point, and the correct answer is fourth one, that is boiling point. So boiling point is the temperature at which the total vapor pressure of solution become equal to the atmospheric pressure. So next one, question number 19. The process of successive vaporization and condensation is called as, first one is the distillation, second one fractional distillation, third one is vaporization, and fourth one is none of these, and the correct answer is second, that is fractional distillation. So the process of successive vaporization and condensation is called as fractional distillation. Question number 20. The solution of lower vapor pressure will boil at dash dash temperature. First one is higher, second one is lower, third one is both A and B, and fourth one is none of these. And the correct answer is higher. So the solution of lower vapor pressure will boil at higher temperature. Question number 21. In photosynthesis, dash dash act as a sensitizer. So options are, first is the CO2, second is the H2O, third one is chlorophyll, and fourth one is none of these, and the correct answer is chlorophyll. So in photosynthesis, chlorophyll act as a sensitizer. Next one is the question number 22. The liquid mixture which distill with a change in composition are called. First one is azeotropic mixture. Second one azeotrophs. Third one boiling mixtures. And fourth one geotropic mixture. And the correct answer is fourth one, that is geotropic mixture. So the liquid mixture which distill with a change in composition are called geotropic mixture. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos on Firestone chemistry. Thank you.